welcome back to our kitchen. Today, me and Chichi are going to make some stuffed bell peppers. For the ingredients, you'll need some olive oil, salt and pepper, Worcestershire sauce, 6 bell peppers, some rice, cheese, some tomatoes, an onion, some garlic, and a pound of, I chose Beyond Beef, which is meatless beef. Add a cup of rice to boiling water and let it cook. Cut the top of the bell pepper. As you see, I've removed the seeds and we're going to keep the top to cover it at the end. Add some olive oil to a pan. Add the meatless meat. Chop it up and cook it a little bit. Add the chopped onions. Add the chopped garlic. Now add salt and pepper. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Mix it all up. Add some Worcestershire sauce. Now add the rice to it. And mix it up. Now that this is ready, we're going to add it to the bell pepper. Now that the peppers are stuffed, coat them with some cheese. Top it off and put it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Now that they're ready, take them out the oven. I added some sauteed jalapenos just because I like mine spicy, but you don't have to. Now on to the best part, we're going to taste it. So good. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see what we're going to cook up next.